guys, I didn't see you there. I didn't see you there now. Well, my room is a mess right now. This is a new vlogging channel. Lost my password for the other one because I haven't used it in a long time. Yes, the name isn't that creative, but I'm gonna try to make longer vlogs. I think, yeah. And I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. There's some really good music playing down there, but I can't show you because it's all sweaty because they're working out and stuff. So yeah, it's not good if I show you guys that. Wow, this vlogging channel is awesome. But anyways, we may be going to the mall today or something like that. Something fun. But for the moment, we're staying in. Where's my mom? He must be inside, but I don't know where. Let's go outside. I found my shoes, but off on me. Right here. Well, see you outside. Okay, got it. Alright, we are outside. And I'm just gonna take like 5 pucks or something and shoot it at the net, see where it goes. I'm probably gonna get this stuff. Just give me a second. This is so humid out here today, even though it just rained. It's very hot. Wow, it's a lot of rain on it. They actually make it slipperier. Whoa. Let's do this. Oh, that's so bad on this. What the heck? Alright. Glad it doesn't get wet. Oh, God. Why is it so bad on this? It sucks. Whoa! Horrible. I'm gonna restart the whole thing. Well, I got one shot left. Those all got stuck. So, let's see if this one's any better because we tried to clear it off of it. It's not the best, but I think I'm gonna have to live with that for right now. So, let me collect the pucks and I'll be right back. Guys, let's just try that again. And hope this time it actually works out. But yeah, if you guys comment on anything about my shot, that'll be great. Because it could help or it could not help. Probably won't. Because you guys are probably all going to be negative. No. I can just see the comments saying, oh, your shot sucks. And stuff like that. So, yeah, let's just put this down here again. I hope this isn't on the front. No, it's not. Got on this. Right, that was okay. But that last slap shot was really bad. So I'm just gonna go in now because there's no point in practicing on this. As you can see, it's all muddy and stuff, so pucks get stuck all the time. And that's what just happened with that slap shot. So it's going. Now, I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'll try to make it fun. Let's see. Let's see if anybody texted me. Probably. Hell, that's a lot. Wow. Let's just see what they say. Turns out I'm back outside. Well, not right now, but I'll be back outside. And, sorry, but, gonna be going outside and basically practicing my stick handling with that green biscuit. You know, a green biscuit is like a puck, but it weighs a little less than a puck. The camera's gonna work. So it can slide on like gravel and stuff, and normally pucks can't do that. They can only slide on ice. But this little plastic can do that. So let's try it out. Let's go over here. It's so humid out here. Alright. Now we went to the United States yesterday. The US, and it was really fun. Too bad I didn't capture that on camera because I didn't really have the idea of doing. Well, I had the idea of doing YouTube yesterday, a new channel, but yeah. So let's just place this down somewhere. Right here. See if you can see the pot. Yeah, I think. Place to do the handling, but I think it's okay. Now I have 2 green biscuits, but this one's like for shooting, right? So it's like shooting. And this one's just for stick handling and saucing. So it's stick handling and saucing. Saucing is for like passing and stuff. If you guys play hockey, put a thumbs up on this video. And each time you thumbs up, there will be more green biscuits that come to my house. And maybe I'll do a giveaway. Yeah, like you. As you can see, this is like really slimy and stuff. And then this puck is like horrible. It just goes, it just like rolls and stuff. That's why I like this better. Now, some people say that fly pucks are better, but they're really not. They roll like pucks too. Oh, that sucks. Why am I not good right now? Like, okay. Hello, boy. Oh, that's nice back. Stick handling not the best in this weather because I'm boiling. There's wet stuff, water on the ground, and this is an old stick because I don't want my new stick to get ruined. Yeah, as you could see, you may be wondering, the hell is this in the backyard? Well, that was our hockey rink at one time. And what you have to do, like, put, like, dirt on the ground. And then you put tarp. Tarp is like that stuff over there. Tarp is that. And then you put water in it. So it's very simple. And the thing that happened is the weeds were going up through the tarp. So you guys may be thinking, like, what the heck's in the backyard and stuff. It's not bad. Well, it is very bad, but we're getting it removed soon. We're gonna get a sports pad there instead. Hope no other weeds grow there. But yeah, let's go inside. I just gotta cut this vlog short because my battery's about to die on my flip camera, and I'm getting tons of texts right now. I have to reply to them and stuff. So see you guys later. Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye.